Let's see how to prepare a cheesy garlic bread. In a bowl, take a lukewarm water and add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, and we just want to keep it until the yeast gets activated. Now we will prepare the dough for the cheesy garlic bread. Take 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Then we will take the fresh garlic. You can also take the chopped garlic 4 to 5 cloves. Salt according to your taste. I have taken 1 tablespoon. Now mix it properly. Here the yeast is now activated. Now we are going to put it inside the mixture. Now knead the dough carefully. This is how the dough is ready. And now we are going to place 1 tablespoon of olive oil. In this way it should be soft. Now we are going to place a damp cloth and we are going to keep it in a warm place. So you can see now it has doubled its size. So we'll sprinkle some maida on it, on the top of it. And knock it properly. So in this way, it's been prepared. So we are going to divide the dough into 2 parts. So we'll start rolling it. You can add either mozzarella or a cheddar cheese or a normal cheese according to your choice. But on one end. Then add some corns and also some bell peppers according to your choice. Add some oregano and chili flakes and also some pepper powder. Place the water gently with 2 fingers on the end side of the chapati so that the wedges will not come out. Now I am going to grease it with a melted butter. I am using the melted butter on top of it so that the brown texture will come when I place it inside the kadai. Now I am going to put some of the oreganos on top of it. So use the pepper powder if you have it. So inside the kadai I am using some salt. This is a brown salt. I am usually using it every time for making cakes and for every stuffs for baking. Place the ring inside it as a stand. So I am using this tin. I have also greased it with the oil and also I have put the butter paper on it so that the garlic bread would not stick though. I am now cutting it gently, making it half. So this is now ready. So I'm going to place this inside the kadai for almost 20 minutes. In this way your cheesy garlic bread is ready.